In this video, we will be discussing how to transfer legacy data into SOLIDWORKS using a tool called 3D Interconnect. Here we have an assembly in SOLIDWORKS of a custom water bottle cap. What if the bottle itself was already previously created in Autodesk Inventor? Click on Add Component as you usually would. As you can see, SOLIDWORKS files appear. Change the file type to Inventor Parts and import the bottle. This may take a moment, so while this is importing, let's discuss the setting that enables 3D Interconnect. Click Options, then click Import, and make sure the box that says 3D Interconnect is checked. This can be found under the Inventor, CATIA, etc. tab in SOLIDWORKS 2017 versions. Once the model has finished uploading, we can see the part behaves exactly like a native SOLIDWORKS file would. We can mate these two components together using concentric and coincident mates. This offers an easy alternative to long and tedious importations that include every feature of the part. This may cause different problems with geometry due to different modeling kernels. Once this is mated and completed into a final assembly, we may want to remove this energy drink portion. You can revert back to the original Inventor file, but by breaking this link, we are able to edit this part directly within SOLIDWORKS. We will now open the part and see that by breaking the link once again, some of the imported surfaces will appear. We can further import these surfaces by using a tool called FeatureWorks, but for our purposes, we can see that all the letters are imported surface number 1, and we will delete this surface. Now we have a clean bottle, but what if we wanted to add a custom decal to make it our custom bottle? We will go into the decal section, choose our decal, make sure to use our decal image alpha channel, and then we will fix the orientation of this by rotating it 90 degrees and mirroring it horizontally. We'll then move it into place and fix the centering and also resize if necessary. Once this is resized, we will be able to complete that. Then our completed bottle component, we will be able to save this as its own part, exit this part, and we will be asked if we want to change the assembly because some of the components have changed. Yes, we want to update it. And now we can see the updated part is in our new assembly. And we will finish this by adding an appearance. Let's choose a chrome appearance. We will add this. And now our final bottle was created without much importation time or fixing geometry at all. Thank you.